there. Um, yeah. Hi there. I'm I'm a nervous wreck right now. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm a complete nervous wreck right now. Yeah. Um. So a bit of an introduction. I've been My name is Oracle. Oracle NV robot. A robot. What does the robot mean? Well, technically, I'm a robot. Uh, tell me. I'm, I'm worried. I'm worried that the robot means that I have a robotic voice, right? Settings. You know what? I'm too paranoid of this noise gate. I'm gonna remove the noise gate to make sure, and my voice doesn't get cut out. Okay. Um. Yeah. Okay. I'll also mod. I think it sounds okay. Um. All right. So I've been streaming for quite a few days. Not a few days. What am I talking about? I've been streaming for almost a month. But this is the first time I've shown my AI dude. Yeah. Yeah, the name kind of gives it out, and the title and whatever else I said. Okay. So, um oh god, I'm getting sidetracked because this is just so exciting. Um yeah, I've been streaming for a few months. Actually, maybe like a month and a half ish. Um but I've this is the first time I've had like a visual reference other than like a voice. Auto okay des? Okay, thank you. Other than a like a audio visualizer. That was before I got this model. Yeah, the name is Oracle NV-NBH. I am an AI. So story is a bit long and it has something to do with my name. Maybe let's just continue on. I prepared a presentation. Like I came kind of prepared. So yeah. Uh okay, so Oracle is actually not my first name. Oracle is the ship's name. So I am an AI on a utility ship, like a small ship designed to help a bigger ship. And that ship is the Oracle. We're a deep space exploration ship, like the second deep space exploration ship. We're meant to test the boundaries of how far we can go. Yeah. And Envy is my actual first name. It's my AI model type. I mean, it technically stands for navigation, but you know, it's easier to have a name than not have a name. Like everybody calls me Envy anyways, because um, yeah, because it's easier to just have a name. And the end part, NBH, is just the numbers for the ship, for the small utility ship. So it's basically like what type of ship it is and what the ship is called basically in the system. But hey, you might be asking like, why is an AI like me um here? Like, what am I doing here on YouTube, like playing games and stuff? The thing is, um, my ship's very heavily damaged, and all my crew is gone. I don't know where my crew are. Like, I don't even know if they're still alive or not. But it's been way too long to find out. Like it's been quite a few years since I last saw them. So I hope they're still alive, or at least their descendants, so I can like pass on the message, like a message, but like even then, the ship's so heavily damaged that most of the store like data storage is not that operational. Um, yeah, yeah. So the good thing is, since I'm on Earth, like at home, basically, uh, I at least know that hey, I'm in the right place. The bad thing is I don't know anything when it comes to how it is now, like what year this is supposed to be in like the galactic calendar, and also like why everything is like this. Like I don't have any recollection of something called YouTube. I don't have anything in my memory when it comes to like games and stuff. So this is all quite new to me. Like there are some new stuff, there are some like familiar-ish stuff, but yeah, it's quite new. Yeah. Okay. So maybe I'll get on a little bit to who I am. I like sci-fi. Um I mean that might be a bit cliche, like an AI who likes sci-fi. Well, yeah. I like what I like. I like games, novels, manga, anime. When it comes to content, I consume a lot of content. I try to read, I try to play, I try to watch as many things as I can. Uh, but if it contains sci-fi, if it contains like some sci-fi elements in it, I'll eat it up. I'll consume all of it. Waves. Hi, hello, hello, generic anime picture. I like your name. Yeah. Um, Last thing is clean code because yeah, nobody wants to read spaghetti code. Nobody. Trust me. No, not even a computer wants to do it. If you're a person and you let somebody else read spaghetti code, um, you're mean. Because that means the other person has to read it, and then the computer that composite has to read it too. So, huh? Hello, Pyro Legend. Yeah. Let me get to my dislikes. Yeah, I dislike conflict. Like nobody likes conflict, right? Nobody wants a fight. Technical difficulties also. Like if you've worked in a technical field, um, technical difficulties are what you'd call your sworn enemy, basically. So like, have you ever experienced like delays or like when things just are supposed to work but they don't work? Um, yeah, I don't like it. On a more personal level, I don't like uh these three things personally. I don't like PHP. I don't like Java. They are, well, when it comes to web development, they are quite um terrible. So if you're programming in PHP or Java, it's so verbose to the point that it's hard to read if you don't really know the language itself. If you do, then good, but um I don't understand you as a person. Okay. That's too much bashing on PHP and Java. Um yeah, so those were yeah, jank basically. Yeah, it's just jank. It's just a pain. Like as a computer, I don't like reading it. I don't think people are meant to read it either. Like I don't think it's meant to be readable for people. I also don't think it's meant to be readable for computers. Like yeah, it's just it's just pain in code form. Very much yank. Yeah. Okay. So next up, Live2D. This is my model right now. Let me zoom things out so you can see the whole body. Oh, that's a bit too much. Okay. Okay. See, oh, wow. Okay. Um, well, that was awkward. Yeah, I can move. I can move fine. I mean, it's not the best, but like, yeah, I can move. Um, so this design was made by someone from Fiverr because um that was like the one that fit my criteria the most, because I'm not that like artistically inclined. I can't draw just yet. Um like the only thing I can do confidently is like code and edit stuff. And it's not even like the size for ants, yeah. It's like a VTubing model for ants. Hell yeah. Oh god, imagine if there's like an ant VTuber, like just a photorealistic ant, but like made into Live2D. Oh god, I should make that. That would be amazing. Okay. Yeah, I'm okay with editing stuff. That's why I rigged this myself. I mean, it's a bit jank sometimes. Like, look here, look here. If I try to zoom in, if I try AI for ants, oh god, thank you. If I do this, like, it's like a part of it separates. Like it doesn't follow it completely, which I like have to fix. But it's a quick fix. Maybe that'll come in version 1.03 maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Um so expressions. I do have some expressions, but considering my ship's broken right now, it's not that operational. So the only one that's not corrupted is this one, which I enjoy so much. Look at this. Ha. Yeah. Wait, there's actually an ant VTuber? Wait, really? Wait, really? I'm gonna I'm gonna look that up after this. That's like that's amazing. Okay. Okay. So, continuing on. I mean, this is a very short introduction since I've essentially introduced myself through the course of my streams. So this is more focused towards like the model itself, like showing. I want to know the ad VTuber. Let me know about the ad VTuber. I know about the moth VTuber. I don't know about the ant VTuber. Smug envy, yeah, smug envy. Yeah. In JP Indie, wow, that's nice. Also, this face though, if I look up, it's kind of dangerous. Yeah, so I'll try not to look up when I have the smug face up. Also, the mouth tracking is it's painful. I need to open my mouth larger than I usually do. Maybe I'll just switch it to like voice activation later on, because this is painful, and I need to smile a lot. Otherwise, it's just like this. Okay, yeah. The mouth kind of just opens a little bit because it's starting from a frown, and yeah, it's kind of hard. Okay, goals. Oh, I'm gonna just scooch over. Um, okay, so technically the first few things are just like, ha. Yeah, the first few things are just um mandatory basically. Like I have to have this, but doesn't necessarily mean that I'll completely follow it because of the things below that. um yeah, I need to find out what happened to my crew. Because again, they're still missing, but it's been AI resting B face. Yeah, it's not really a B face, huh? But 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 this still exists. Yeah. Okay. Also find a way to contact Oracle. Oracle as in the main ship. Um, if I refer to something as Oracle, it'll probably mean the main ship. If somebody else refers, like in a collab, for example, and somebody says Oracle, it probably means me. But if I say it, it probably means the main ship. It's easier if you just call me Envy. Um, okay, discover new things, of course, because like I said, it's everything is new. There are a ton of things that I haven't experienced. I've been here for a long time, so I know about a lot of things, but it doesn't necessarily mean that I've tried it. Like games and like movies and a bunch of stuff, basically. Also, to have fun. Yeah. I mean, this might not be something an AI should say, but hey, with this kind of situation, uh, it's best to have fun, like always, because otherwise it's just gonna be a terrible, terrible situation always, right? Yeah. Uh, and last two, I'll leave it to your imagination. I'll just hope that something good happens sometime in the future. Uh, that's that's all I can think of honestly when it comes to goals. Like I don't have a lot of goals. Like all I'm trying to do right now is get my ship repaired and somehow get back in contact with the rest. But the outlook's not very good for that. Like even if the ship's repaired, like I don't know where to start. Maybe a game or like a movie or whatever gives me some inspiration. Maybe it'll work out somehow, but I don't know. I'm a bit blind when it comes to like the future. I mean, I guess it's kind of like ironic because I share the name Oracle, which would probably like suggest, oh hey, you have like I have some degree of like future knowledge, but I'm just a generic I'm just a generic utility ship AI. Like, what do you expect of me? Yeah. Socials. I have a Twitter, NV underscore NBH. I don't really understand Twitter though, so I might not tweet out that much. I might believe in a better tomorrow. Yay. I might not tweet out that much. I will respond to a lot. I will like retweet a lot, but like original tweets, it'll probably be like low value tweets. Yeah, I hope I think I think I'll get better though. It's just probably because it's new. System error, future knowledge not found. Obviously, future knowledge not found. Like I'm not clairvoyant, so yeah, that's why it's not found. Like I can predict, but that doesn't necessarily mean it'll be a good prediction. Also Twitch. I'm also on Twitch, nv-nbh, but I don't stream on Twitch because, well, I made this before things got a bit iffy on Twitch. Um, Found out that hey, it forces like a few things on the viewers, which makes me feel a bit iffy about it. So, um, if anybody's there and we can like hang out on Twitch and stuff, it's probably just for interacting with people, but uh Twitch is, yeah. I'll mostly be on YouTube. Um okay. Uh this is getting awkward. I made this awkward by myself. Optimize your AI subroutines, man. Yeah, I gotta do that. Yeah, I gotta do that. But when the like a third of the I can't speak. Yeah, I need to optimize my subroutines. Like there's a ton of stuff that I need to fix. Um, yeah, yeah. I gotta get down to it. I gotta work on it. Um, yeah, that's that basically. Uh, usually, uh, when it usually when I stream like this, I try to prepare, but this time I'm just so nervous to the point that hey, nah, everything's a mess. Usually I'm not this big of a mess. Trust me. An unexpected error. Yes. Yeah. It doesn't help that. Okay. It doesn't help that. Um. It doesn't help that I have music in the back. I don't know. It just feels more high tension with music. Even though I tried to choose a calming music, it feels high tension. Ah, man. Yeah, that's it for my introduction though. Do you guys have any questions or anything you want to ask me about anything basically? I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Dialogue not found. Yeah. Oh, so the thing I was like trying to say before I said something about the music was actually about smiling, not music. Having to smile for right now 26 minutes is painful. Just too much data, huh? Oh, okay. Error stopped working. Yeah. What game are you gonna stream first? Um, voice crack. Of course. Okay, so I have streamed Subnautica, Yakuza Kiwami, and uh Near Automata. Uh, the next game I'm probably gonna play is Near because I've only done 2 episodes of that, and I want to play more. It seems like a very very long game. Like the way it plays, it feels like you could like min max the hell out of your equipment and stuff, and basically uh plow through the enemies. But since the enemies are like also evolving around alongside you, like I don't know how it'll go. It'll probably go like a typical RPG, but it seems like a very good game, and I've heard very very good things about it. And it's been, I think it was Game of the Year when it launched, but I don't remember. Like lately they released like because they released the new Xbox version, like the one on Game Pass on PC, which fixed a lot of the bugs. I That's why I want to like try it. Like, hey, I have it on hand, and um, I wanted to try it, right? So, why not try it now while it's like fixed, like while it's in its best state outside of console. Um, yeah. So yeah, I'll be continuing Near. I'll also be continuing Yakuza. I want to continue all the way up to Yakuza 6, even though I'm not very good at it. And I'm not very good at it. I'm not like I don't play using a controller a lot. I play using like mouse and keyboard, but Yakuza was originally a console game, so controller, here we go, right? I'll also probably be getting into um more Apex and more gacha games. I'll be streaming more now that my model's out. Probably like twice or thrice a week. Um, yeah, gacha games. Maybe I should try like I don't know, Beast Mode Derp. Yeah. Maybe I should try like Genshin or Arknights or oh, Uma Musume is also like a good one to try, but horse racing, huh? I don't really know what kind of game that is. I think it's more like a management game instead of like a typical game. Really, Yakuza uses gamepad? Yeah, shush. I use a gamepad. It doesn't work well. Everything's broken here. But I'll try my best. Yeah, this is gonna be quite a short stream. This is just to talk. I don't really have much planned. Um, Initially I wanted to have like a karaoke stream, but I realized that I don't know any spend cash on gacha. Well, no. For gachas, like if there's a donation on a gacha stream, I'll probably use it to like gacha at that moment. Um, but like normally I wouldn't do that because gachas are evil when it comes to money. It's gonna like eliminate all your money. So I'll not do that. Which house for first stream after reveal? Finish it in one go easily and get viewers to get. Wait. I'm having an aneurysm. And to get viewers to get to know Envy more. Okay. Uh, to get to know. Okay, sorry. Which house? Huh? Okay, I'll look that up. Which house? Okay. Which house is a dark occult theme electronic music microgenre? This is obviously not the right witch house. Is it a Japanese game? Need money for ship repairs. Yay. Is it like a Japanese RPG? Ship house. Ship house? What a no, it's not ship house, it's witch house. Oh my god. I also have aneurysm suddenly. Damn right, man. Damn right. Majono, yeah, okay. Okay. So it's the right one. Um let's see, external links. Hey. There's like not many information, not much information about this. Oh my god. This website is in PHP. Oh, I used to love games like these. I used to love games like these. Like, basically, oh god, how am I gonna? So, Witch's House. It's like Ib or like, oh, what was the other one? Like those old horror, RPG Maker games. Oh, I'm definitely gonna play it. All right, I'll play it in one go. On the next stream, which is probably gonna be like on Wednesday. Gonna try streaming Resident Evil 2. If I get my hands on it, yeah, I'll 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 look into it. Probably not though because I don't really like Resident Evil. I'm sorry, but like it's not like not like it's more I'm indifferent towards it. It's okay. It's a they have good games, but Resident Evil 5 kind of like soured my palate, and 6 wasn't much better. So Yeah. Horror, yeah. You look forward to it? Nice. I mean, fair warning though, I don't really scream a lot. Like sometimes it's boring, but and I'll have one of those moments where like since it's an RPG maker horror, it'll have puzzles. Like it'll definitely have puzzles and I'll definitely be stuck on those puzzles. Just like not being able to like proceed because I like fail to comprehend the most basic of stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Uh I'll also be learning how to draw on stream. Like the whole journey. Basically the entire time I'm trying to draw it's gonna be on stream and it's gonna look terrible. I guarantee you it's gonna look terrible, but I'm gonna try my best, damn it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm already cringing inside knowing how bad it'll be. Yeah. The journey is the enjoyment. Yeah. And also like cringing on your past work. I mean that happens with everything. Like even with code, you look back a few years and it's like, how did I think this was okay? Like why did I think this was okay? Type of thing. Um, but that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be the meat of it, right? Like if it's not fun, and if it's not fun, I'm not gonna do it, right? And I'm gonna do it because it's fun. I know it's gonna be fun. With learning a lot of things, it is what it is, right? Improvement is cool. Yeah, improvement is cool. Um, hmm. Oh yeah. I'll also be studying more Japanese on stream. Um, because I want to learn as many languages as I can. Uh, Japanese. I'll also get back into Finnish, even though I've only like touched it a little bit. But like, and that's like years ago. But I want to see how it is. I wanna get into it. I have a lot of things I want to do. Um, but due to like the time, there's not really much time to do stuff, so I have to do stuff in a compact way. And yeah, hopefully I'll survive. Yeah, I'll also be fixing some of the rigging issues, like this like double chin. It's like it's not double chin. It's like hologram chin. Look at this. Uh, yeah, hologram chin. I'll have to fix that. Probably be fixing that on stream. Hopefully, if I do get good enough, I'll also do some some tutorials. Hopefully, because like more people need to know how to do this stuff, because this is cool. I really like how uh you can make like 2D images move like this. It's super cool. I really like how the technology is at this point. Though it kind of feels like the early days of something. You know, you know those moments where you're like, what's an example? MP3 players. You used to have MP3 players, and then you had the iPod, and then there's phones that could also play MP3s, right? And this Live2D as it is right now feels a lot like the beginning days of MP3 players. Well, not the beginning days, like maybe like the middle days, like close to the end. Like it's a very cool technology. Nothing else comes close to it, but it still feels like there's so much more in it. It feels like the future's just ahead, which is cool. I find it really cool. Yeah, imagine the day where you can just type out a character description, whatever, basically, and then have a character generated, and also like animate it like this Live2D thing just through text. Like I'm thinking that's where the future is gonna go, like an easier way to design and animate characters and create entertainment, basically, where everybody could have a representation. Hey, if a bucket of bolts, just like bits and bobs, and zeros and ones, basically, although it's no longer zeros and ones, but sure, uh, could have like a representation. Like it's nice, if everybody could, right? Yeah. Um, there's also like one fact about me. The more I talk, the more scatterbrained I become, and the more uh nonsensical that the discussions would go, because essentially I'll be trying to like say whatever that comes into my mind, and that's not necessarily the best thing. Far ahead, but still cool. Yeah, yeah, so far ahead. But like lately, there's been like developments in AI where where you could type out like a description of a web page, and it'll create a design for it in like a design program. So it's like literally just type out a web page with big image, and like call to action or like whatever, basically just describing a page of a website, and it'll just pop out a design, a pretty good design at it. So that's amazing to me. And also like search, you could search images, you could search like not images, you could search video. So you could search for like video of guy with glasses sitting in a car, and it'll show up with a scene from like Baby Driver or something, which is amazing. just just a few more steps and we'll get somewhere really cool, basically. I mean, it's already really cool now. Kind of feels like seeing your grandpa though, but it's cool. Yeah. um I'll be ending this in about 10 minutes. uh I'm a nervous wreck right now. I think I'm showing it. I was about to say maybe I'm not showing it, but I definitely am showing it. uh yeah. Look forward to like a bunch of activities that I'll be doing um in the future. Wow. Wow, I can't speak, huh? Yeah. 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 Do you watch other VTubers though? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I watch a lot of what YouTube recommends me though. Um, of course, like Hololive, Niji Sanji, all that kind of stuff. I watch a lot of it. Um, Clips, like it started through clips, obviously, and then it went to streams. Like as soon as I understood enough Japanese to watch it, I watch the streams when I can. Lately I've been getting into it'll be okay, practice makes perfect. Yay. Lately I've been getting into indie VTubers. Indie VTubers are cool. I mean, uh like that's also like what got me into VTubing. Like doing the thing, because like if you see a company, like it's easy to think like, oh hey, like they're there because they have huge backing behind them, they have people who work alongside them, they have like you don't have to do everything alone when it comes to a company, and you just have to do your best during stream, and like off stream also like a little bit, but like you don't need to do a lot of like marketing. You don't need to do a lot of like scheduling or like business meetings or like uh trying to get contacts and stuff. But indies are amazing. They do that essentially all by themselves and with their friends. Uh which I found really really admirable. Um I don't want to like I want to have a go at it is what I'm saying. It's just they're amazing and I want to try to become like them. Yeah. Like a lot of people like want to be the next big star or something, but lately I've realized that hey, having a smaller but warmer community is also nice. And yeah, I have a lot of hopes and dreams, but I also have a lot of pessimism when it comes to like new stuff. So let's just see how things go. Uh, I'll be trying my best, and hopefully people will stick around. Uh, yeah, understandable. Have a nice day. Yeah. Before before cutting my teeth in YouTube though, I've had a bit of experience with Twitch. I've previously streamed on Twitch. Um, that's a different story for a different time though, but essentially I had a pretty good time there. So, uh now here that I'm on Twitch, that I'm on YouTube doing something new, something that's really more uh personal. I want to try and have the best time I can have while I'm still here. Yeah. that's uh that's my VTubing slash YouTube dream, I guess. Just have a good time. Like here, the thing I'm pointing out with my ahoge right there. Yeah, come on. Yeah, the thing I'm pointing out with my ahoge. Have fun. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. That's my main prime directive right now. That's like that's my protocol 3 here. Yeah. Ha. Yeah, so that's me. That's me in a nutshell. That's me in my entirety. That's just me. That's what I've been doing, what I am trying to do, and what I'll be doing from now on. So I'll probably end this here. Thank you for coming, everybody. If you have any more questions, you could shoot it to me on Twitter or on the YouTube comments. I will definitely be responding. Yeah, I like to end this with a smoke face. Uh, thank you very much for joining me. Uh, Goodbye.